Hey folks, it's been a long time since I've posted a video about this car. I know you guys have been wondering what's been going on. Well, I have a lot of footage that I need to get uploaded. A lot has happened since I last posted and through now. Uh, I don't know, man. It's been taking me too long to get that, you know, get the time to get that video edited and posted. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little peek at where I'm at now, and then later I will post a nice set of videos showing how I got to where I'm at now. So where am I at now? Well, I'm sitting in the car, and there's reasons why I'm sitting in the car, and the big one is I'm gonna go for a drive. That's right. The car is legal. It's insured. It's fixed. It just needs paint, but I'll show that later. So it's ready for me to enjoy now. So let's go. I apologize. I don't have a mount set up, so this is going to be a handheld event. So put the key in. Oh, so smooth. But yeah, let's go. This is my maiden voyage to Dunkin' Donuts. I only just got this car legal this weekend. So I haven't had much time in here yet. Oops, don't drive on the grass. All right, I could have done better there. Is there anybody coming? Yeah. Oh, that guy's going fast. Slow down, asshat. This is my neighborhood. Oh, got an old person coming. All right, let's go. There we go. It's 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. Come on, people. I'm not gonna speed here. I gave it a little bit of juice there, but yeah, this is it. Let's get to a spot where we can give it a little more beans. How about that? So let's see what we got here. As you can see, I have a tire sensor light on, but no check engine lights, no other warning lights. I mean, this car is in excellent mechanical condition. I haven't felt clunks or anything loose. We're gonna go, there's a place where I can give it some beans safely. It's like an industrial area, so we'll go there. And I'll show you what she's got. Oh, it's so quiet too. I mean, it's not even going to be that impressive when I give it the beans, sound-wise. So you ready? Oh, this car's behind me, so I can't slow down too much. Ready? Here we go. Oh, I'll never get sick of that. Yep, those were the beans, and I dished them out. Oh my goodness. What else can I say? I mean, this car is so freaking smooth. So smooth. The brakes are amazing. It handles like you're on rails. Can I just go? Yeah, let's just go. Yeah! Oh man, that is fun. Alright, so we'll do a quick walk around video. She's a little dirty right now, but I've got a bra on the front for now to cover the dent. Take care of that later, but I spent enough money right now, so we'll just leave it at that. Yeah, the important part. So there's our repair so far. This came out amazing. It's just primed. Fitment's good. This isn't looking right because so first of all, there's a tab right here, and I broke that while I was putting this together. So I just got to take it apart and fix that. And here, the actual mounting bracket popped out from the screw hole. The screw hole is a little bit mal-shaped, I guess, malformed, just from the pulling I did. So I just got to fix that, add an extra bolt there, and that will hold that in. And this will look really, really good. Light works there. Yep, I've got the trim panel installed. The unpainted bumper. Backup lights are good. My wife actually just ordered me license plate lights. This doesn't have them, but she got me some generic ones that I can affix in there. They're like $7. It beats paying $200 for the Lexus ones. They're LED, so they'll be good. Alright, what else here? I gotta take a look at that light. I think the bulb's bad, so that running light doesn't work, but I just got new amber blinkers here and there, so all that stuff works great. I've started taking off, got this 3M protective stuff. I'm starting to take that off here. Got a little bit left there. I mean, it's in bad shape, so. But I'm gonna leave this on here until I get that dent fixed and take this off, because this is gonna scratch up the paint, so. Everything on the front bumper's fixed. Got the new light surround there, the chrome surround that was missing. I fixed this. All this stuff I'm gonna have in another video. I have it all documented, all the repairs. I took the bumper apart and did a lot of work on that. Yeah, so that's where we're at. The top works great. I would show you, but just today I took off the bumper stops that are in the trunk because I thought I had to take a lot of stuff apart to change the blinker lights in the back, and it turned out I was wrong. So, but when I put those bumpers back in, I can show the roof. Works great, by the way. So that's where we're at. And then I just, just detailing in here. And I'll probably repaint the leather. They have a kit for that. Because this stuff actually it's minor damage, but it's stuff that I can't wash off, so it needs another coat on there. But yeah, it's a beauty. I love it. The brakes work amazing. Handles very well. Very happy to be driving this guy.